Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore index bloat caused by faceted navigation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what index bloat means in the context of faceted navigation. Faceted navigation often results in an excessive number of indexed pages. This can confuse search engines and dilute the authority of your site. Start by conducting an audit of your indexed pages. Use tools like Google Search Console to identify unnecessary indexed URLs. Look for patterns in your faceted navigation that create multiple indexing scenarios. Next, decide which facets are essential for user experience and SEO. Limit the number of parameters that can be used for navigation. Implement canonical tags on non-essential pages to signal the preferred version. Use robots.txt to disallow crawling of unnecessary pages created by facets. Consider using a noindex tag for low-priority pages that you still want to be accessible. Ensure your primary content remains easily crawled and indexed. Evaluate your site's internal linking structure. Link to the canonical versions of pages to reinforce their importance. Review and update your XML sitemap to reflect the changes made. Submit the new sitemap to Google Search Console. Monitor the impact of these changes by tracking your site's performance metrics. Use Google Analytics to analyze user behavior on your site. Adapt your strategy based on the data collected. Regularly review your faceted navigation settings as your site evolves. Stay updated with best practices for SEO related to faceted navigation. Aim for a flexible strategy that can adapt to ongoing changes in search engine algorithms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.